A silent lake sits in the Russian wilderness. It looks serene, peaceful, but beneath its waters lies death, invisible yet lethal. A place where standing on its banks for a short period could be lethal. How did this come to be? What led to such a deadly transformation? Lake Karachay is not a place of legends, but it is a place of horrors. Buried deep in its depths are secrets of the atomic age, unseen dangers that lurk just beneath the surface. How did this tranquil lake become the most polluted spot on Earth? In the heart of Russia, the Chelyabinsk region thrived, a place of industrial might during the Soviet era. It was the 1940s and the Cold War was heating up. Nuclear weapons were the currency of power. The Soviet Union needed a secret, a hidden place for its nuclear ambitions. Enter the Mayak Production Association, a sprawling nuclear facility shrouded in secrecy. Built in 1948, it was dedicated to plutonium production. Thousands worked tirelessly, unaware of the lurking danger. A small lake nearby seemed ideal for waste. A simple solution with catastrophic consequences. The lake was called Karachay. It became a dumping ground for radioactive waste. Year after year, the toxic burden grew. Radiation levels soared, unseen, unfelt, a hidden danger, waiting for the world to take notice. But in those early years, few understood the peril. Then came the disaster. September 1957, the Kishtim disaster. A storage tank at Mayak exploded, releasing a plume of radioactive materials. It was one of the worst nuclear disasters in history, but the world knew nothing. The Soviet Union kept it secret. Villages were evacuated silently. People fell ill with no explanation. The fallout spread over vast areas, but Lake Karachay remained a secret, a quiet assassin, lurking in the shadows, its waters now more deadly than ever. The residents of the region, unaware of the danger, they drank from contaminated rivers, breathed in toxic air. Lives were destroyed, but voices were silenced. No one dared speak of the invisible threat, the lake, the silent killer. By the 1960s, the truth could not be contained. Studies revealed staggering radiation levels. Just a short time at the lake's edge could be lethal. Its waters more radioactive than Chernobyl's worst, but the Soviet authorities denied it. In the dry seasons, dust from the lake bed carried radiation miles away. It infiltrated homes, contaminated food supplies. No one was safe. Yet the government continued to ignore the cries for help. Silence was their shield. By the 1980s, international pressure mounted. Western scientists demanded answers. The world began to understand the scale of the catastrophe, but Lake Karachay remained out of reach, hidden behind the Iron Curtain, its secrets closely guarded. In 1990, the Soviets could hide no longer. They admitted to the contamination. But it was too late for many. Generations had suffered. The lake is often cited as one of the most polluted spots on Earth, a grim title for a deadly place. Concrete now covers most of Lake Karachay, but the danger remains. Radiation seeps into the groundwater. It is a wound that will never heal, a reminder of the past, and a warning for the future. The legacy of Lake Karachay is one of silence and secrecy. It is a tale of human error, of hubris, a story that unveils the cost of nuclear ambition. We have learned much, but how much have we lost? What remains is a poisoned land, a community forever altered, lives changed by invisible forces. The lake is still, but its story speaks volumes. It is a story that cannot be erased. The lessons of Lake Karachay are clear. Nature does not forget. It holds us accountable for our actions. The lake's silence is a warning, a reminder of the consequences of carelessness. Today, Lake Karachay is a symbol, a testament to the perils of secrecy. It is a place where science and neglect collided. The world watches, learns, and hopes to never repeat this dark chapter. What should we take from this story? The balance between progress and safety is delicate. History, like Lake Karachay, holds many secrets. We must listen, learn, and act with care. The waters of Lake Karachay remain silent, but its story echoes loudly. Let us not forget the past. Let us strive for a safer future, a future where such places are only memories. As we close this chapter, remember Lake Karachay, a place where humanity's dark secrets rest. It is both a warning and a lesson. May we never turn away from its silent cries.